let's discuss about morning routine. I think a healthy start is key for student. Bintang, what's your view?
In my opinion, morning exercise and drinking water are essential. I'm convinced it will be boost energy and focus.
I see your point, but from my perspective, it is hard. I think sleep is more important than forcing exercise. Many people need rest more than routine exercise.
I respect that, but I stand by my opinion. I'm mentioning that with consistency, the benefit is better. Concentration are worth it. Starting small and still.
I agree with Bintang. In like when there's a good request, must have to defend this view. Eating will improve performance. Simple habit can create a big change.
I understand that concern, but let me defend the concern. I clarify that the good routine is personalized. I stand by the idea that consistency in doing something benefits you. It only matters more than what exactly you do. Whether it's meditation, journaling, or lightning like exercise. The principle I maintain is starting the day my intention.
Your point about personalization is fair. However, I'd argue that many students interpret morning routine as something that demanding and time consuming. My view is that we should focus on core principle like adequate rest and nutrition rather than specific morning ritual. I believe this approach is more inclusive of different lifestyle.
To defend the routine concept while addressing Bintang valid point, I suggest we reframe is a morning mindfulness rather than routine from this perspective. Even taking 5 minutes to plan your day on practice. Gratitude, qualifies, and convinced that this everything makes the practice more accessible and less intimidating.
That reframing helps, Arya, but I maintain that I shouldn't underestimate individual difference. Some people think with structure and others with spontaneity. My final opinion is that we should provide option rather than prescription. I believe that the healthiest approach is teaching students to listen to their bodies and needs each way.
I agree with providing option, which is actually what I've been advocating personalized routine. Let me defend this by saying that having some structure doesn't eliminate spontaneity. It creates a foundation for it. I stand by my view that completely structureless morning often lead to rush decision and missed opportunity for self-care. So,
Your point about foundation has merit. However, from my standpoint, many students already pass exercise structure in their academic lives. I think adding more can contribute to burnout. My view in them, we should protect some unstructured time, including mornings as necessary mental space.
To breathe good both perspective, I like to defend the idea of minimum viable routines. This means identifying one or two non-negotiable morning practice that work for you. I hold the opinion that this balanced approach provides structure without overwhelm. Research support that small, consistent habits are much sustainable.
That balanced approach makes sense. I defend it by adding that this minimum practice should include checking in with yourself. For instance, asking what do I need for this morning. Belief is that this combination of gentle structure and self-awareness teaches truly healthy morning.
I can support that integrated approach to defend my original position while incorporating your insights. I now believe a healthy morning combines intentional practice with self-awareness. I maintain that the most effective routines are those we consciously choose and adapt as needed.
And conclude my opinion, I can now see value in mindful morning practice when they're truly self-directed. My final view is that the healthiest routine is one you feel free modify or skip without guilt. I believe this mindset prevents routines from becoming another performance merit.
Excellent synthesis. My final defense or morning practice is this: when approached with flexibility and self-compassion, they become tools or for well-being rather than obligation. I am convinced that balanced perspective is what we should promote to our peers.
Instead, to summarize my position, I defend individualized approach that honor different needs and rhythms. I believe the discussion itself, learning to articulate and defend our view while remaining open to others, is perhaps the most valuable morning routines we could develop.